This 2026 Sunset Park RV Sun Lite Limited 19RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 21 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 3, water heater, refrigerator, leveling jacks, microwave, awning, air conditioning, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Sunset Park RV Sun Lite Limited 19RB is 2,970 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.